Most of you have your bookkeeping all wrong. My name is Paul Vasquez with Tax Lab, and you need to become an ethical millionaire. Most of you are doing your bookkeeping for business all wrong. I would bet your bookkeepers may be doing it wrong as well. Your bank and credit card transactions are not there to prove purchase. Your receipt or paid invoice shows what was purchased. So if you're trying to verify and validate your expenses, that's done with a receipt or paid invoice. It is not done with a credit card or bank transaction. Your credit card or bank transaction shows the other side of it, not what was purchased, but who paid. Where did the money come from? Was it out of a personal bank account and hurting your veil, your corporate veil? Or was it rightfully paid out of a business account? Who paid that money? So you have two parts of the transaction: what was purchased and who paid for that purchase. So with those two things, that's why it's best to have both. To prove the expense, which is where you get the deduction, you need to show what was purchased. And second, who paid. So I think a lot of you are missing that. A lot of bookkeepers may be misleading you by not putting enough emphasis on getting those receipts. You want those attached right then and there to say, this is what was purchased. Folks, if you want a little help to get your bookkeeping done right, it starts with the comprehensive consult. We need to figure out who you are, what you're doing, and what services you actually need from us here at Tax Lab to make sure that your transactions, your bookkeeping is audit proof. If you do not have those receipts saved, attached somewhere to those transactions, you're not audit proof. The IRS can say, hey, we challenge those expenses. And if you don't have a receipt, you're going to have a hard time proving that to an IRS auditor. You could try to invite them down and see all the things you've purchased, but how do they know that wasn't purchased somewhere else? How do you know you're not borrowing it from a friend, right? So get those receipts and save them either digitally, physically, however you can. But that's what's going to save you if the IRS decides to challenge those expenses. To get a comprehensive consult and start off right, go to lab.tax, click on free 15 minutes to get that free 15-minute introduction and possibly sign up for a comprehensive consult. I wish you all the success.